Okay, so we're gonna do a nose waxing tutorial. See the hair right here? Okay, and we're gonna we're gonna use the hard wax. So we're gonna apply the wax into the nose and then pull it out. And then same thing as this side. And we're gonna put in the wax and pull it out on this side. So when you put it in the wax, make sure you do one nostril at a time. I trained somebody that they did both of the nose at the same time. And then, of course, the client is kind of also not too smart. She's suffocating me. And I was like, you can breathe through your mouth. So ready? It's gonna be a little warm, but not gonna burn you. It's not hot. It's warm. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
So this is our wax. It's a hard wax. So we're gonna put it. How's the temperature? Okay. Okay, we're gonna get it in as much as possible. You don't want to get rid of all the hair in there because the hair is actually for us to filter out the dust, the virus, okay? So we just wanted to do it enough that the one sticking outside of the nose, that doesn't look too good. Okay. And then you wanted to make sure it's really got hardened, not soft anymore. So it's not ready yet. Okay. Otherwise it's gonna break in there. Okay, so that's pretty much ready. And then you're gonna kind of like hold it. Okay. And you pull it out. See the hair on it? I don't know if you can zoom it in. Did you see it?
Yeah.
See, now it's all cleaned. So then you don't have to go in there and trim it. Okay, so we're gonna do the other side. Okay, I need you to get over a little bit so I can see the nose nostril. See the hair right there? It's an easy procedure, but you need to practice. Because at the beginning of doing it, you might gonna hurt the client and causing some kind of trouble. Okay. Is the temperature okay?
Mm-hmm.
Kind of like wanted to work it into. And then you make sure to get in the hair, okay? Really bounce it to the hair.
So do women get this done too?
Women? Some. Mostly, doing the nose mostly are men. Women don't have that much hair in their nose.
Yeah.
And the year is also men. Women doesn't grow hair when they're getting older, but men start to grow hair when they're getting older.
Yeah, it's not a fair world.
What do you mean, not fair world?
It's not fair that women don't get hairy ears and noses.
But we get other stuff. We have a period that men doesn't have it. And that comes with a cramp. Okay, I'll have to wait until like fully hardened, okay? Okay, it's about to. Ready? Okay, ready? See the hair all coming out. Okay, it's all clean. So now you don't have to do any trimming.
Yeah.